Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about university life, and I'm super excited to share with you how Mahanoor and Maha, two new students, meet on their first day of university. In this video you'll get to see how they chat about their interests, hobbies and passions, and how they connect with each other. By watching this video you'll learn how to approach and talk to new people, how to share your interests and hobbies with others, how to make new friends in university, how to easily communicate with people in English.
Mahanoor. Hi, I'm Mahanoor. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Maha. Hi Mahanoor, I'm Maha. Nice to meet you too.
Mahanoor. So, what brings you to this university?
Maha, I'm here for my business degree. I've always been interested in entrepreneurship.
Mahanoor. That's really cool. What's your favorite hobby?
Maha, I love reading Quran and learning about Islam.
Mahanoor, that's awesome. What's your favorite surah in Quran?
Maha, I love Surah Al-Fatiha. It's so peaceful. Maha, so, Mahanoor, what's your favorite hobby?
Mahanoor, I love performing namaz and reading Islamic books.
Maha, that's so nice. What's your favorite Islamic book?
Mahanoor. I love reading the Quran.
Maha, so, Mahanoor, what's your passion in life?
Mahanoor. My passion is to spread the message of Islam and help others understand its beauty.
Maha, that's so inspiring. What's your favorite way to share your passion with others?
Mahanoor. I love giving Islamic lectures and participating in interfaith dialogues.
Maha, I'm also interested in learning more about Islam. What's your favorite thing to do on a free day?
Mahanoor. I love attending Islamic lectures and spending time with family.
Maha, that's truly admirable. Do you have any favorite Islamic scholars?
Mahanoor. Yes, I love listening to Dr. Zakir Naik's lectures.
Maha, he's really knowledgeable. Okay, I think we've talked enough for now. Want to grab some tea and snacks?
Mahanoor. That sounds perfect. Lead the way.
Make sure to practice your English conversation skills every day to become a fluent speaker. We're hardworking to bring you the best English learning content. Your support and feedback mean a lot to us. Keep loving and keep watching our videos to improve your English skills and make it easy to communicate with anyone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. We'll see you in the next video.